Y'all are sick of me, but I am sick of myself. Mental check-in again. So after today, options were worthless even when it hit my target. I was like, dang, we only went 140 ticks on NQ. Like even yesterday, I was like, we didn't even move that much. Forgetting I'm on ES. Forgetting I'm looking at the ES chart because I'm trading SPX options. But I've been reading the chart so well with the 4 hour and the daily that I think it is just trading futures and just trading ES and not NQ. So I can manage my risk. Even today, I would have risked like $90 to make 180, which is pretty good. Not trying to risk that much, but that's with just one contract. So I could have risked a little less and then still made almost that 180, or even just targeted just the 100 or 150 a day. Who knows? But I think just trying ES one contract on my funded first, get a little groove, get a little hang of it, will be the move. I think that's what it is because I've been predicting it so nicely with the daily, and I've been enjoying it and getting it right. I think I saw someone make money on the power hour today, but you wouldn't make money on the power hour yesterday. But my trade played out great yesterday, so you have to see just when the options are cheap. I knew where it was going, but the options just weren't cheap like they were yesterday. I knew it when I got it. I was like, let's just see how they play out, and they played out worthless. So I think that's just giving that ES. Because even I said yesterday, I think yesterday we went 200 ticks on ES, and I was like, 200 ticks on Inky for the whole day is crazy. It's a big candle for getting its ES. So that's a lot. You need 80 ticks to make $100 with two contracts, I'm pretty sure, on ES. So 80 ticks. No, 80 ticks with one contract. 80 ticks divided by 4 is 20 points times 5. Yeah, 100. So you only need 80 ticks to make $100 with one contract. 80 ticks. One contract. That's it. So I might just, you know what I'm saying, do that for a minute and see if I can get my $200, you know what I'm saying, target a little 80. Right now I have my bracket set for 50 and 100, and just to see how it looks on the 1 hour chart. I'm going to trade one micro for now, just to get my bearings. I kind of want to trade the live account again too. We'll see. The rest of the week, I think, because we have Thursday and Friday, we're just going to trade we're just going to trade one. And if I trade two contracts, I could take a tick profit at, one and then leave it runner, which would be nice to do without over leveraging. But $100 is cool. So we're gonna relax. We're just gonna trade the ES futures. Back to the payout, the first payout challenge, final challenge. The options one maybe picked up again later when I have more money to play with. But since I don't have money to waste, I need to just focus on this prop firm account. Honestly, I might even trade my live account again until I get a payout. That's what it might be. I need to focus on getting a payout. Might if this count blows, get the restart one of the Apex ones, just one of them, and do something like that, and just cook till I can get a payout. That's how we feel. So we're gonna see, and I think with ES 4 hour chart, 1 hour, 2 hour, these higher time frames with the daily and the strat a little bit, I think we really can cook. So I'm feeling good. So let's just see. I do this every 3 business days. So let's just see how it goes, and we'll do the recap tomorrow. I'm gonna trade tomorrow. So.